Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into pronouns. If you're learning English at AB1 level, this episode is perfect for you. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns in a sentence, helping us avoid repetition and making our speech and writing sound smoother. Common pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, and them. Let's explore a few examples. Instead of saying, Sarah likes Sarah's dog, we can use a pronoun and say, she likes her dog. Here, she replaces Sarah, and her shows possession. In John and I went to the park. We had fun. We replaces John and I to make the sentence simpler. Pronouns like it are used when we don't need to repeat an object, as in, the book is interesting. It is about history. Pronouns make sentences easier to follow by keeping them clear and concise. In everyday life, pronouns come up constantly. You'll hear sentences like, can you help me? They are waiting for us, or she gave him a call. Using pronouns not only makes communication faster, but also sounds more natural and helps us avoid repeating the same nouns over and over. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps other English learners find our show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.